Hey everybody, welcome back to DeHaven Family Farm. It is a beautiful day out here. Fantastic day to be on a tractor. We are sitting on Little Blue, our TC45DA New Holland tractor. We're going to be doing some rototilling today. I'm going to show you, I don't know if our rototiller is going to make it much longer. This is a 6-footer. It is like 15 plus years old, and it leaks gear oil out the side here at the bottom, so I've started mixing in some like combine cornhead grease. So I don't know how well the gears are doing. This gearbox up here has broken apart, and I don't know if you can see, I've kind of tack welded things together, trying to hold everything together here. So the rear shield is falling off. So yeah, it's seen better days. We have super rocky ground here in some places, so this rototiller has just gotten beat on pretty much its whole life, and we're hoping it makes it through today. So come along with me as I rototill these rows that we're going to be planting pumpkins in the future. Let's see if we get through the day or if it breaks first. Come on. But I never ran the disc over it, so it's pretty rough. Not to mention there's a big drop off right there, and we just slid right in it. Well, I guess we hit a big rock because it just completely shut us down here. There is a slip clutch on the tiller, but oh, we gotta go to neutral. I guess that was too much for it to overcome. And the world is back there. Pull forward. I don't know what did it. I wouldn't think that clump of sod would be enough to... Must just be a huge clump of sod there. Well, we'll try rototilling over it. We'll lift the rototiller up, do an upper pass, and then we'll drop it down, see if we can get that to break up some. So apparently whatever the problem is stuck in the rototiller. Do we have a rock or something in here? You guys see anything in there? There's a root. I don't see anything in there. I don't know why it won't restart. Oh, there it goes. Doesn't really sound good, does it? guys, we finished. The old tiller held together. Wasn't sure about that one time when it shut the tractor down if I had broke something or not. But we got lucky and she got her done. All the rows here, all the way over there, all the way up to the tree line up there are all done. So I'm going to try something different to fertilize these. We'll have to run the disc over them and rototill one more time because we're doing something different with planting this year. In the past we've used plastic. Last year we tried without it. This year we're going back to plastic for the pumpkins. We are going to be going with a biodegradable this year. We tried it a long time ago and it was all right, but we're going to try it again this year. It's a little harder to lay than regular plastic. It's a little thinner. So we'll probably do a video on that, have some challenges there. But hay season, we're probably a little ways away from that yet, but we're getting there. So all right guys, thanks so much for joining me for today's video. I got to keep moving. Beautiful day out, lots to do. Thanks for watching. If you wouldn't mind hitting the like button, the thumbs up on your way out the door, I would appreciate it. If you enjoy these videos and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Stick around for a while and maybe you'll enjoy these videos. So thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you all on the next video.